Come test drive the 2021 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, smart device integration. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.